Bachman, and we are going to do another Will It Polish, okay? So I've got 3 stones here that we're going to look at and see what we can do. So let's take a look at them here. Alright. Okay, so this has some type of black. I'm going to try to set it still and get up close there. That has a black streak going through it. And then this is covered with green. So I'm not sure if that's chrysocolla, and I'm not sure if it will polish up. Okay? So, but we're going to go ahead and try and see what we can get out of polishing these 3 stones. Alright, let's get started. We're going to put the grinder on. This one's the fine one. Yeah. It's real fine. There. Alright, let's take a look at it. Try to get it wet here. So very little, maybe there's like a little vein right there, but it's going away. Little one there, little one there. Right there. So let's take another side to sand, alright? Alright, let's take a look at that. Let's see what we can bring out in that right there. Alright? Here we go. Alright, I just did the 50 grit, so we are going to kind of look at it and see. I have some pretty deep scratches in there, so we're going to go one more time. We'll use the marker, but you see the vein right there coming through. Alright, there's another little vein starting right in here, and you got one up here. So let's keep on going. Okay, I just finished the 1000 grit, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at it and see what it's looking like. Okay, remember this is wet right now. You got a good piece up there. Now I'm seeing some cracking right here. And crack right down there. And that. But nice little vein. Alright, let's keep on going and see if we can get it polished. we have got it all the way to 3,000 grit, and let's go ahead and take a look. I'm going to kind of put it in the sun so we can see I've got it out of the table there. Nice vein. Now this is what it looks like on the back side. The top, which we did not, if that's the top or whatever, but good. And that's the original side that we started with, but it didn't look like it was going to be very promising, so we kind of stopped right there. All right. Might be a little azurite right there, just a little. Okay, so one down. Let's see if we can get the other one set up and a quick polish before we have to shut down. All right. Okay, we have number 2 and 3 of our pick. So let's see, we got them in the table, and we are going to start the grinding in just a minute. Let's get grinding. Okay, we're going to take a closer look at this one. And here. Alright, let's keep on going. I'm going to start with 50 grit, then 150, 300, 500, and then we'll take another look at it after that. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay, we just finished up the 500, so let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, let's go ahead and keep on going all the way to 3,000 and see what it looks like. Alright, we just finished up the 3,000 grit on these, so let's take a look at them. Let's look at this one first. We'll kind of get it in the light. Okay, as you can see, it's very, very, very porous. I'll get this off. There. My ears are free. Okay, it's very, very porous. It shined up just a little bit, okay, but not too much. All right, let's check out that other piece. All right, let's take a look here. Alright, it shined up just a little bit. I believe this has like some quartz streak and maybe chert. And that was with the 3000 grit, okay? Now, you could always take it all the way up to like 13,000 or even higher. Whoo, boy. Alright, but for a little piece like this, we're not going to do that, okay? So let's take one more look at it. And that's your episode. Will it polish or will it not? We found out. Okay, check you out on the next one. See you later.